Cell phones in classrooms. It has been a hot topic for parents, educators, and some of our lawmakers as well.
That's right. And today, many of them came together to discuss research and guidance to help provide best policies and practices for our schools. CBS 17's Mariah Ellis is live learning how different groups and parties are coming together with shared concerns. Mariah.
Yeah, that's right. This has really been a full-day conversation here at the Friday Institute, and it's all really about these devices that many of us carry in our hands daily. And teachers, educators, and so many others are, just talking about how much that students really relied on technology and these devices during the pandemic. And now many of them are asking, when do you draw the line? Distractions, mental health. State Senator Jim Bergen says they're all concerns driven from cell phone use in schools.
As I've traveled around the state talking to folks about mental health, it keeps coming up, especially with young people.
Bergen, joined by dozens of others, parents, principals, and educators, researchers, policymakers, even public health experts, all coming together at the Friday Institute Thursday to discuss the matter, sharing research, perspectives, and ideas for guidance in North Carolina schools.
And the average kid now is spending 8 hours a day on their phone.
I think it's something that parents struggle with, is how do you find a balance of letting our kids use cell phones to explore the world, but how do we limit that to make sure that there's not social media addiction.
State Senator Jay Chaudhary says it's an issue that's bringing parties from all sides. Lawmakers not only looking to local districts, but also other states.
My hope is that we're gonna be able to understand what other states are doing, understand the research, and move forward what we think is the best way to protect our children.
Krista Glazewski, the executive director of the Friday Institute for Educational Innovation, says members organize a discussion as a number of states continue to introduce legislation to ban or restrict cell phone use in schools, including a handful that have already passed laws and adopted new rules this year.
We see lots of kind of age-based guidance showing up, maybe like in the state of Florida, age 14. Kids can't be on social media, or in South Carolina, where they've implemented a no cell phone access in schools statewide.
There appears to be some consensus that a absolute cell phone ban is not the solution, but I think what we have heard from experts is there has to be some limitation.
Now, lawmakers tell us that they won't be back in session until next year, but they say they're hoping to have more conversations just like this, which they hope will actually help shape some of those policies we could see sometime soon. Mariah Ellis, CBS 17 News.